Hi! In front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Firstly, open Settings. Then click on More Connections over here and select Printing section. After that, you can click on Default Print Service right away or choose Add Service and download the best one for you. For example, I have HP printer, so I will go with HP one. When it's ready, select the back button twice. Then click on your printing service and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!